Hey boys and girls, welcome to the Deck Remodelers Studios here, coming to you live from Sparta, New Jersey. Today we're going to talk about what's right. Now, everybody knows us for our decks. They know the award-winning decks. A lot of people don't know we build award-winning patios, and that's what this video is about. It's about when to make the decision, patio versus deck, and all the different options that you can do with patios. Check these videos out. Deck versus patio. It really comes down to design. It really comes down to what the space is calling for. And the determining factor, the primary determining factor, is elevation. You don't want to do a high elevated patio, just like you don't want to do a deck that's dug into the ground. If you're walking out of your house and your door is very close to grade, within a foot or two, or even at grade, a patio is the perfect choice. And there's lots of really great stuff you can do with patios. We put the lighting right into the patio, uplight fireplaces, lighting under the steps. Really can do beautiful things with hardscape. And hardscape, depending on what you pick, can be very durable and last a long time, as long as a deck will. So how it continues from one space to the other. If you have a pool and you have a big patio there and you can continue out and cascade down and there's a lot of continuity to the space using the same materials, that can often be a really nice look. Another thing is if you have a smaller backyard and you have a smaller pool patio, breaking it up between a patio and a deck can sometimes feel like separating the space, two small spaces, as opposed to having one larger space. So you can really play with a lot of different textures and materials when you're doing a patio to create a lot of visual appeal and visual interest. It really all comes down to design. Whether you pick a deck or a patio, design is the first and foremost what you're looking at. And then it comes form follows function, right? You want to do something that's going to last, something that's going to be beautiful, and something that works for your space. So as you see, there's a world of different things you can do with patios. It's not just pavers on grade anymore. There's multiple levels, cascading down, creating vignettes for smaller gatherings. And also you want to design it, like I always say, so everybody's at the same party. So I hope this inspired you guys to do some really cool stuff. I hope it gave you some information to do some really cool stuff and make some great decisions. Like us, follow us. We'll see you on the next one.